Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7. In this video I'll show you how to find File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it. And thanks to Files app, you've got access to your downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other apps, favorites, save folder and internal storage. Also, you can check your recent files, nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files, clean function, thanks to which you can clean junk files from smartphone, and then you can go to trash. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.